This is Quiz 3.02, Example 1. Adina is constructing a line perpendicular to YJ. So the first thing she's going to do is place the point of her compass on point C and draws an arc that intersects the line before point C and labels that Y. Then, with the compass still on point C without changing the width, she draws an arc that intersects the line after point C and labels that J. She moves the compass point to Y to construct an arc above the line. She must open her compass past the point of C to make it wider than when she made her first arc. And then 3, she picks up the compass without changing the width and places it on point J and constructs an arc that intersects the arc drawn from point Y. She labels that intersection of the arcs M. Then she uses a straight edge to draw a line through points M and C.